A is for alligator, sharp teeth and a grin, swimming through the swamp with scaly green skin. B is for bear, so big and so bold, loves honey and berries and hates the cold. C is for cat, who purrs all day, leaping and napping in a whiskery way. D is for dog with a wagging tail, chasing its ball or sniffing the trail. E is for elephant with ears so wide, marching through the jungle with the trunk as its guide. F is for frog, who leaps so high, croaking at night under the starry sky. G is for giraffe with the neck so tall, reaching for leaves where no one else can at all. H is for horse, galloping with speed, racing through the meadow, a noble steed. I is for iguana with skin so green, sunbathing on rocks, looking calm and serene. J is for jaguar, sneaky and sly, spots on its fur as it prowls nearby. K is for kangaroo, who hops all day, carrying its joey in a pouch to play. L is for lion, the jungle's king, roaring so loudly it makes the trees sing. M is for monkey, swinging through trees, rooting bananas with the playful tease. N is for newt, so tiny and slick, hiding by the pond, moving quick as a tick. O is for owl, who hoots at night, big round eyes in the pale moonlight. P is for penguin, who waddles with cheer, sliding on ice when the winter is near. Q is for quail with the plume on its head, scurrying through bushes where it makes its bed. R is for rabbit, who hops with glee, nibbling on carrots and hiding by a tree. S is for snake, slithering along, hissing a tune like a slippery song. T is for tiger with stripes so bright, stalking its prey in the dead of night. U is for urchin, spiky and small, rolling in the ocean where the waves call. V is for vulture, soaring so high, gliding through the clouds in the bright blue sky. W is for whale, the giant of the sea, singing deep songs in the ocean's melody. X is for X-ray tetra, a fish so clear, swimming in rivers where the waters are near. Y is for yak with the shaggy coat, climbing up mountains where it loves to gloat. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white, galloping through grasslands, a wonderful sight.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.